I might never be your knight in shining armor, and I might never be the one to take home to mother, and I might never be the one who brings you flowers, but I can be the one tonight. When I first saw you from across the room, and I could tell that you were curious. Oh yeah, boy, I hope you're sure what you're looking for. 'Cause I'm not good at making promises, but if you like causing trouble up in hotel rooms, and if you like having secret little rendezvous, and if you like to do the things that you know we shouldn't do, baby, I'm perfect. Baby, I'm perfect. Let's start right now.